Good morning, my dear students. I am Dr. Deepak More, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Sanjani Mahavidyalaya, Chapoli. Today, we are going to study about Unit number 2, Morphology, that is word formation process, and part number 5, the practice of examples. Example number 42. 42. Reattainment. Reattainment is a noun. This word is divided, firstly this word is divided into two parts. Number one, re, and second part is to be attainment. Re is class maintaining derivational prefix because attainment is a noun and reattainment is a noun. That is why there is no changing pattern of about the category in this word. So it is a stem word. Again, attainment is divided into two parts. Attain and meant. Attain is a attainment is a noun and attain is a verb. It is a stem word and root word. That is why meant, ment, meant indicates class changing derivational suffix. 43, example number 43, remake. Remake is a verb. This word is divided into two parts. Part number first is re and second one is make. Make is a verb and remake is a verb. That is why re is class maintaining derivational prefix and make is a stem word, make is a root word, make is a verb. Example number 44, predetermined. Predetermined is a verb. This word, firstly this word is divided into two parts. First is pre and second one is determined. Determined is a verb and predetermined is a verb. It is a determined is a verb and stem word and pre is class maintaining derivational prefix. Again, determined verb and this word is divided into two parts. Determine and do. First part is determine, it is a verb and de is inflectional suffix. De is inflectional suffix. Determine is a stem word, determine is a root word and verb. 45, example number 45, reinterpreting. This word, firstly this word is divided into two parts, re and interpreting. Interpreting is a verb. That is why reinterpreting is a verb and interpreting is a verb. Hence, re is class maintaining derivational prefix and interpreting is a stem word verb. Again, interpreting is divided into two parts, that is interpret and ing. Interpret is a verb, interpreting is a verb. Hence, it is interpret is a verb, stem word, it is a root word, and ing is a inflectional suffix. Then example number 46. Example number 46. Irresistible is an adjective. This word is divided, firstly this word is divided into two parts. Ir is class maintaining derivational prefix and resistible is an adjective, it is a stem word, and irresistible is adjective and resistible is adjective. Resist, again this word is divided into two parts, resist and ible. Resist is a verb, stem word, root word. Hence, ible is class changing derivational suffix. Example number 47. Inflammations. Inflammations. Firstly, this word is divided into two parts. Inflammations is a noun word. Inflammation and yes. Inflammation is a noun. Yes is inflectional suffix. Again, this word divides in two categories, inflame and ation. Inflame is a verb, stem word and verb. Ation is a class changing derivational suffix because it changes the class, that is from noun to verb. The inflammation is a noun and inflame is a verb. Again, inflame is divided into two parts, in and flame. Flame is a verb and inflame is a verb. That is why in indicates class maintaining derivational prefix and flame is a verb, flame is a stem word, flame is a root word. Then example number 48. Confidential. Confidential itself is adjective. Basically is adjective, and confidential is firstly divided into two parts, confident and IAL. Confident is adjective and confidential is adjective. That is why IAL indicates class maintaining derivational suffix. Confident is adjective, and again this word is divided into two parts, confide and ENT. Confide is a verb, it is a stem word, it is a root word, confide, and ENT is a class changing derivational suffix. Example number 49. Logan berries. Logan is a class maintaining derivational prefix and berries is a stem word. Again berries divides, berries is a noun, berries divides into two parts, berries and es, berries. Berries is a stem word, root word and noun. That is why es indicates inflectional suffix. Then example number 50. Unverbalized. Unverbalized is a verb. This word firstly this word divides into two parts, un and verbalized. Verbalized is a verb, unverbalized is a verb. That is why there is no changing pattern in its category. That is why un indicates, un shows class maintaining derivational prefix, and verbalized is a stem word, verb. Again, verbalized divides into two parts. These are as follows: verbalize and do. Verbalize is a verb, a stem word and a verb, and again do is inflectional suffix. Then again, verbalize divides into two parts, verbal and IZE. Verbal is adjective. Verbal is adjective. IZE is a class changing derivational suffix. Then example number 51. Flowers. Flowers is a noun. Then flower and yes. This word divides into two parts, yes and flower. Flower is a noun, stem word, root word, and flowers is a noun word. That is why sa is inflectional suffix. Then decided. Example number 52. Decided. Decided is a verb. This word is divided into two parts, decide and do. Decide is a verb, stem word, root word. That is why do indicates inflectional suffix. Example number 53. 53. Defended. Defended is a verb. This word is divided into two parts, ed and defend. Defend and ed. Defend is a stem word and verb. Then that is why ed indicates inflectional suffix. Defend is a verb. Again this word divides into two parts, en and def. D-E-A-F. D-E-A-F. Def means adjective. It is stem word. It is a root word. Def adjective word. En indicates class changing derivational suffix. Then example number last, 54. Ironmongery. Ironmongery is a noun. This word is divided into two parts, ironmongery, ironmonger and why. Ironmonger is a noun. Ironmongery is a noun. Ironmonger is a noun. It is a stem word. It is a root word. And why? Class maintaining derivational suffix. Then Dry cleaner. Dry cleaner is a noun. Dry cleaner is noun. Dry, dry clean is a verb. Is. In this way, our syllabus of morphology is completed now. You can take various examples in your notebook and do practice again and again like this manner. It is simple manner. It is a simple unit, morphology, and it indicates the study of various words also. Thank you very much.